Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be unboxing my package from Pop Mart / Amazon, whatever. Alright, I'm super excited. And yes, this was not cheap. Anyways, I do not want to wreck the box. Because if I do, I'm gonna cry. I see it. Oh my god. I'm not gonna here so you guys can't see it. Oh my god, it's a Let's Checkmate. I'm so happy. Like, isn't this so cute? Like, yes, we're not going to talk about how this was $89. It cost me a fortune. But this is so cute. I don't know if I want to leave it in the box. I think I'm going to leave it in the box. Because I don't want it to get, like, ruined. So, yeah, let me know if I should do any more Pop Mart unboxing. I'm just thinking also in October my other labubus are going to come. So I'm obviously going to do a video about that. Because I'm going to do a lot of Pop Mart unboxing.